You think boosting your credit score takes forever? Wrong. What if I told you the absolute fastest ways to skyrocket your score in 2025 are secret strategies most people miss? You've heard the boring stuff, but today we're dropping mind-blowing truths that'll send your score to the moon faster than you can imagine. Do not click away. Are you sick of paying every bill on time, juggling balances, and your credit score barely moves? Standard advice for 2025 speed? It's not enough. It's all about using these killer methods the right way, strategically. And guess what? I'm going to show you how. But first, if you don't even know what your score is or what's on your credit report, start there. Grab your free credit report and 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 score using the trusted link in my description. It's 100% free to check, and it's the first step to fixing what's holding you back. You hear keep utilization under 30%, right? So basic. The real truth for a crazy fast boost. Pay your bills before the statement closing date. Yes, before. Card companies report your balance then. So, a big balance, even if you pay it off by the due date, still gets reported as high. Pay it early, they report low, and boom, watch your score explode in 30 days. Don't just aim for 30%, smash it. Go for under 10%. Being an authorized user isn't just about getting your name on a card. That's child's play. The real secret? You need to get on a card with someone who has an epic, long, perfect credit history and super low utilization. But be warned, if they mess up, your score could tank. Huge risk. Also, double-check the card company actually reports authorized users. Get this right, and it's like rocket fuel for a positive history boost. Your rent, your Netflix, your utility bills, you can use these to boost your score. Seriously, the gigantic missed opportunity here? Services like Experian Boost literally add these on-time payments to your credit file. It's so simple. If you have a thin credit file, this is a game changer for a quick score pump. You're already paying this stuff, so get the credit for it. So many people think disputing credit report errors is a total nightmare. That's a myth. The truth? Fixing errors is a super speed way to a higher score, and online disputes are crazy simple. Go to annualcreditreport.com, get your 3 reports for free, and hunt down those errors. Fixing them can literally boost your score in 30 days. Be relentless. Demand accuracy. Are these tips blowing your mind? If they are, smash that like button and subscribe for more of these no BS credit secrets. I want to know. Comment below which of these truths shocked you the most, or what's already worked for you. All right, I've got one last mega tip for you. Everyone screams, applying for new credit will tank your score. But the overlooked truth? Used strategically, new credit can be a fast positive. I'm not saying go on an application spree. Don't do that. But a chosen credit builder loan or a secured card builds good history and beefs up your credit mix super quickly, especially if your file is thin. It's about smart moves, not no moves. Boom! There you have it. 5 shocking truths to send your credit score soaring in 2025. This isn't just random advice. It's about using proven methods in a super smart, strategic way. These tactics are your sprint boosters in the long credit marathon. Always understand the why behind what you're doing. Ready to take control today? Tap the link in the description to check your free credit score and credit report. No commitment, no credit card required. It's your move. Thank you for watching.